Happy Sneakerheads. In this video, we got a double unboxing. And we're going to first unbox these. I do know what these are right here. Open these bad boys up. See that Nike box right there. Bam. Let's open these bad boys up. And my box sure is raggedy. Look at that. UPS man done kicked it all up, or whoever delivered this box. It's all beat up. So if I tell you what this is, you might not see it, so we'll wait just to take these out and let me know if these are still in or not. As you see what I'm rocking right here, bam, we got these Nike Dunks. The colorway reads Gem Red White. So again, I was just helping someone out to get these shoes. The Dunks are not in right now. However, the kids are still rocking the Dunks, and seems like some women are still rocking the Dunks as well. Looks like an old pair. Got a lot of dust on it. It does feature predominantly red and white shoe. It does have that Nike branding on the back in yellow. As you can see from my Houston Rockets throwback jersey, this will be a good fit wearing these shoes. It does have that Nike branding in yellow as well on the tongue. To make the shoe pop a little more, I guess you could put in some yellow laces, but overall, this is just a simple and of course we've seen one Dunk. We've pretty much seen them all, but just want to have this quick unboxing with y'all. Let me know down in the comments, are you still rocking the Dunks? See that red outsole that makes the shoe pop from the side. And then, of course, you have that white midsole with the red Nike swoosh on the side. Again, this is a quick unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next pair of shoes, because this is, like I said, a double unboxing. I did know what these shoes were. However, this other shoe, I'm not sure what's in here. I do know that, to be honest with you, on May 4th, I did put in for a lot of raffles for the Jordan 4 Military Blue. Unfortunately, because I was at my daughter's graduation, I wasn't going to be available to pick up my parents, so I did do a lot of raffles. Okay, and so this is not a Jordan 4. Bam. So this is another shoe I had got in. I don't know what's going on today, but looks like they beat up this box too pretty well. So did get these a long time ago. This is my shoe right here. As you see, it's size 10. The Jordan label reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Black Varsity Royal White. So we're going to go ahead and open these bad boys up. It does come in that standard Jordan 11 box. The white lid at the top. We do have that carbon paper. Take these bad boys out. Bam! What are these? The Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. Let's go ahead and take a deeper dive in these. Again, my shoes came all beat up. If the box is bent, I'm glad that these is my pair, because if I was trying to resell these things, I don't think I can resell them because the box is severely damaged. This is the first time I'm seeing my pair in hand, but again, a little bit dusty. I am looking forward to the Jordan 11 Columbias, because I do not have those in my collection. This is another silhouette that I can rock all day long. I know that some people only prefer the highs versus the lows, but I do rock both highs and lows. And let me check out this other pair real quick. Quality control. Raw. This is pretty much standard Jordan 11 low. I don't really see any serious flaws. I do see some fraying at the back of the shoe. You can see it right there. That fray on the back. Other than that, I don't really see any seriously defects, so I'm happy about that. The shoe is very dusty, and I don't know how dust got in the box, because it was double boxed, but maybe they were sitting in the warehouse somewhere, I don't know. But overall, this was a clean shoe, and here's the clean shoe, the Jordan 11 Space Jams. Let me know if y'all have the highs in y'all collections, or do y'all pick up the lows. I know for me, I didn't have the highs, so this was definitely a pickup for me. I do have the Jordan 72 and 10s, and the biggest difference, like on the back, this one does have that blue Jumpman on the back. Does have that 23 on the back as well. Standard rope laces that come with the Jordan 11 lows. Again, it does have that tag that says, on this shoe, it says Jumpman Jam, as you can see right there. It doesn't a little bit different. And again, it has that blue Jumpman. But to me, you can't go wrong with a black patent leather shoe. It does have that white midsole and that beautiful clear outsole. And I do love those pods of that Concord purple. Again, we see that white Jumpman at the bottom with protruding through that clear sole. It does have the carbon fiber right here. And you got to tap it right here. You hear that, because it's one of the best ways to find out if your pair is a real or a fake. I did get these straight from Sneakers app, so I know that this is an authentic pair that I have in my hand. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. Let me know down in the comments, were you able to pick these up, and do you rock Jordan 11 lows? This is a beautiful shoe in my humble opinion. And let me know down in the comments your thoughts and opinions about these. Are you rocking the Air Jordan 11 lows? And are you still rocking with these dunks? But let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Again, we appreciate you. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can watch videos like this. Again, I'm trying to get back in front of the camera a little bit more. I'm trying to do a little bit more unboxings. I do pick up a lot of shoes just because I'm a sneakerhead, but I don't all the time buy Jordans, and that's why I'm trying to bring y'all different Nikes that you do see. And we've been unboxing. I did unbox a New Balance, so if you haven't done so, go and check out that video right there. But again, we'll appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.
That's right. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.